Guys, El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. All right, we just finished our conference. We got Mr. Bill,
Ali Nasser.
Mr. Ali. You know who these guys are. Okay, they got the videos, AutoProved. So, guys, what do you think about the conference?
This was fire, man. I knew it was going to be great, but I didn't even expect it to be this great. So I can't wait for tomorrow for Eric Thomas.
That was
can't wait
just
for you to be a panelist. It's going to
yeah.
be crazy.
That was just day one, guys. Shaka
yeah.
killed it at the end of the show, and you know this is the reason why I come to these conferences because we don't have it all figured out, right? No. And you got the best of the best in the business. They come in here, they share their ideas. You know, you guys got like Anthony and you know that fire in the belly that they have, and they want to share that with everybody because they're passionate about the business. You know, just like we're passionate about the business. I love what you guys are doing. The videos are, you know, it gives me ideas sometimes, and obviously we all have a message, right? But it's what works for where we at. You know what I'm saying? I know some people call me out of the blues in the country, like, well, that's not gonna work in my store. I said, well, I'm in Brooklyn. You know what I mean? So things are a little different in Brooklyn. So, but you know, you guys know I have my own conference coming up.
Game changer,
right?
baby.
Game changers coming up December 3rd, and the reason why it's a big deal is because we don't have an ad agency. We do everything in house, and you know, we took a store from 100 cars to almost 400 cars right now, and I believe next year is going to be even better, right? So we got a second store coming up, and I would love for you guys to come down and show you guys a tour of the store, and obviously come to my conference in December. It's going to be pumped like this. I'm getting some ideas too at the same time, so I really do appreciate you taking time and give it a shout. You guys keep doing what you're doing. You guys are rocking over there, and you know, any help you guys need, I'm down.
Thank you, Rudy.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, bro.
Of course, thanks for the support.
Brooklyn Mitsubishi, baby.
Yes.
How they do it.
Live, kid.
Live,
Live,
kid.
kid.
All right, guys, Patronn out.
We out.
Anthony, thank you again.